Okay, so a couple people asked me that seen my other videos to do more burping, so I'll try again. I'm gonna do it with water like last time because my mom doesn't like me drinking soda at all, so she took soda away from me, just like my sister. Anyway, I'll try. It's cold. Lame. Ow! That came back up. That was weird. I can't do it with water. They all come out the same for some reason. Oh yeah, there we go. Damn it! Oh yeah. Oh God. I just need soda badly. Ugh, wow, it tastes nasty. Well, it doesn't taste like anything, but that's okay. I don't even know if I've been recording my head. I think I'm recording from here to here, because I can't see anything. So that would suck, because I'd have to redo the whole thing. I'm not going to redo it. I'm going to step on it, I think. I don't know. Anyway. Oh yes, and I think that's it. I'm not going to do any more. My throat hurts. Okay, well, yeah, that was it. Bye. I'm gonna stalk you.